Hi dear all, today we are going to discuss about the NEET entrance examination. Normally for the NEET entrance examination, you are provided with such a question paper which comprises of 24 pages. On the left top corner, you are able to find the question test booklet code, and you do not open this test booklet until you are asked to do so. The major or important instructions which you have to follow are as follows. First one is the answer sheet is inside this test booklet. When you are directed to open the test booklet, take out the answer sheet and fill in the particulars on side 1 and side 2 carefully with the blue or black ballpoint pen only. Then the second one is the test is of 3 hours duration and test booklet contains 180 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. For each correct response, the candidate will get 4 marks. For each incorrect response, 1 mark will be deducted from the total score, and the maximum marks allotted is 720. Use blue or black ballpoint pen only for writing particulars on this page or marking the responses. Fourth instruction is rough work is to be done on the space provided for this purpose in the test booklet only. The pages for rough work are allotted in the last of this test booklet. Our fifth important instruction is on completion of the test, the candidate must hand over the answer sheet to the invigilator before leaving the room or hall. The candidates are allowed to take away this test booklet with them. Sixth instruction is the code for this booklet is even. Make sure that the code printed on side 2 of the answer sheet is the same as that on this test booklet. In case of any discrepancies, the candidate should immediately report the matter to the invigilator for a replacement of both the test booklet and the answer sheet. It's very important. Seventh instruction is the candidate should ensure that the answer sheet is not folded. Do not make any stray marks on the answer sheet. Do not write your roll number anywhere else except in the specified space in the test booklet or answer sheet. Eighth instruction: use of white fluid for correction is not permissible on the answer sheet. That is, you are not allowed to use the ink correction pen. Instruction number 9. Each candidate must show on demand his or her admit card to the invigilator. Instruction number 10. No candidate without special permission of the superintendent or invigilator would leave his or her seat. 11th instruction: the candidate should not leave the examination hall without handing over their answer sheet to the invigilator on duty and sign the attendance sheet twice. Make sure that you sign the attendance sheet. Cases where A candidate who has not signed the attendance sheet second time will be deemed not to have handed over the answer sheet and dealt with as an unfair means case. So it's very important. Instruction number 12. Use of electronic or manual calculator is prohibited. Not only calculator, all sorts of electronics media are prohibited, like smartwatches, electronic gadgets, etc., mobile phones, and so on. Instruction number 13. The candidates are governed by all rules and regulations of the examination with regard to their conduct in the examination hall. All cases of unfair means will be dealt with as per rules and regulations of this examination. 14th instruction. No part of the test booklet and answer sheet shall be detached under any circumstances. And the 15th instruction is the candidates will write the correct text booklet code as given in the text booklet or answer sheet in the attendance sheet. So all of you have to follow all these instructions carefully while writing the NEET entrance examination. And this is the facing sheet. Here you have to write the name of the candidates, that is in the block letters. In capital letters you have to write it here, and you have to write the roll numbers, that is in figures here, and in words you have to write it here. And the center of examination, that is also you have to write it in the capital letters, and you have to sign here. Invigilator should sign here, and all of you have to make sure that the facsimile signature stamp of center superintendent is here. If you are not finding any signature stamp of center superintendent here, you have to make notice of it to the invigilator in your class. This is the facing sheet of your test booklet, and this is the next page, second sheet. It comprises of question based from the biology part. Your first 90 questions is from biology, and after that 45 questions from chemistry and 45 questions from physics. This is the pattern of NEET entrance examination, and at the end of this 180 questions you are able to find the space provided for your rough works. You are directed to do all your rough works here in this space provided. Here is the space for rough work, that is from page number 22. Hope you understand it clearly. Please share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more NEET question papers and other such related informative videos. Thank you all.